101.1 FM, the spirit of Indonesia, smart up your life. We are having about maybe around 15 minutes more, yeah, to chit-chatting. Actually, I'm so exciting about this because, yeah, I feel like I'm talking to my sister. Even though my sister is far away, actually, yeah, and not only sister, but also I'm sharing this. Are we having a chit-chatting like I can suppose in the future what my doctor, Jasmine and Irish, we are going to do or how to get survive by facing the situation about hostile culture that is so gaul or millennial words, yeah. That's why I always put myself as a mother gaul, yeah. I don't want to be left hidden atau tertinggal, yeah, and something like that. So still the main question I'm asking to Pia about this. I mean, have you ever see the people around you, the people you love, and how do you prevent their situation, not your situation? I mean, the people who do you love about they facing this kind of hostile culture situation?
Okay, I think I think I don't have I don't see how to say I don't see
Oh, around people around you.
around people not hostile culture like my mom, my father. They are not hostile culture. So maybe when
Or you have a friends, a special friends
on
who take
they
it.
are not also not hostile culture.
Oh.
Like they are so enjoy so slow like
Yeah.
so slow not slow so enjoy and happiness with our life.
Wow.
Yes.
So positive, positive. So positive people, yeah. I'm so jealous and envy. Oh.
Yeah. So I think like just me and
Yeah, your environment,
in
environment.
environment just me like I'm sorry I'm sorry like oh my god how I can do how I can finish my text uh, how I can
No, that's okay.
yeah like I'm really
How
so
you finish your
like,
responsible.
yes I'm so
Yeah, you are so hurry person.
yes I think that's like that.
And
And I don't have
people,
yes
people around you, or you
yes
never meet that kind of
yes
people.
never
Okay.
yeah.
Maybe later, or maybe I'm going to be a hostile culture in and terror you.
Oh my God.
Pia, I need your help. Please help me.
Okay,
No,
but
I think it's prepared to say I'm toxic, yeah? Toxic people to be hostile culture.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, Pia, take it easy. I know. Still nervous. That's okay, darling. Okay, what about you? But I think I'm going to the third question to Firda, yeah? That is, how do you prevent this kind of hostile culture or the people around you? How do you help them with so many things or so many ways?
Okay, actually, it's really hard actually to help them that that is their habit. Like they still uh, they spend their day, their time to only work and work. To yeah, maybe they want to get their achievement like jabatan and financial. So it's really hard for me also because my sister there is she is hustle culture almost maybe 24 hours she only uh, she only take herself to work and work and work. Even she don't go to her office, but in home
Work
also.
work from home.
Yes,
She worked from home.
I mean for example, she go to her office at 7 in the morning, and also she go home at 10 p.m. And
10
all,
p.m.
yeah.
Wow.
Yes, it's really push herself. That's why
She must be rich because she earn money.
because
She
her
earn money.
because her boss like you should still here. You should stand behind me.
Leftover.
Yes.
Lembur.
Yes, sering banget lembur. So that's why it's really have a big impact for her health, untuk kesehatannya, because they only spend their day in their office. Even even she don't go to her office, she still work in front of computer, and also as we know,
She's kind of workaholic. Yes?
yes.
Workaholic.
Yes. So I don't have like to help my sister to okay, you should enjoy your life. You should spend your day, not only your work, not only
Yeah.
your office. Yeah, you have a family, you have friends. Yeah, so maybe I only like mengajak dia untuk
pursue
keluar.
her.
Yes, but it's really difficult for me also to invite her to keluar untuk jalan-jalan.
She have to see me and see
Yeah,
how happy
sure.
I am. Yeah.
I think yes, ma'am.
And if I don't, I mean, if you don't mind, can you spill how old she is?
I forget.
You forget. Your sister. Are you?
Because I have 3 sisters, so
Are you-
I don't know her the old.
Are you really relate to her?
Yeah, I forget. I really forget. Because right now we are so far. She is in Jakarta, and yeah.
Oh, she's living in Jakarta.
Yes.
I don't wondering if she's living in Jakarta because the people who living in Jakarta, like my brother too, we only do chit chatting or a very serious communication or chit chatting. No any jokes there. Because I can imagine if you're living in a big city and metropolis such a Jakarta. Yeah, I see. But she have to meet me actually. Your
Yeah.
sister, I guess.
Maybe if she come in Makassar,
Yeah.
I will.
We can make a time, yeah. And your sister
Yeah,
treat me,
sure.
not me, yeah. Because she's rich. she make money, and I think I suggest her to how to say it, to leave her. Is she living in like a boarding house or something like that? No? Oh, boarding house. So it means that she shouldn't living in boarding house. She have to packing her luggage and move to the office and living there because it's useless for her to go home. Okay, nice, Firda. What about you, Tenri? I mean, how do you prevent this situation? I mean, for your family, like your brother, you say that your brother is kind of a very typical lazy person or mager situation that is close to hustle culture. How do you help him? How do you support him actually?
Actually, if someone has hustle culture, actually we call them. It depends on them because he programmed his life for getting better. So it depends on you. It depends on you. Even though you will work in a hustle culture company, it depends on you. So how to be prevent? Don't come to company or a company who which has hustle culture, and how to I prevent my brother, as you said before, it depend on him. So because it's your life, you program your life for getting better in the future. Yeah, I think that.
Okay. What about your parents? Are they support your brother too?
Yeah, of course, because my mother always praised him for finishing his description. So it's, of course, it's superstition. Support from finishing here uh, his description. So yeah.
Okay, nice. Tenri, you don't feel okay. And what about you, Pia? How do you prevent this situation if you one day you meet or the people around you, you have to see the people around you facing this kind of hustle culture?
Okay, I think people yang hostile culture, they just believe in themselves that are more you do, the more valuable you are. So I think when I meet people hostile culture, I want to
Pursue, pursue.
pursue to be enjoy their life. Like we can to sharing
Yeah,
session. We can to go to mall maybe. Go to
Okay.
mall just
Doing a small healing, yeah?
yes, just
The
small
Gaul
healing.
words.
Yes, or maybe
Small
karaoke.
healing.
Maybe karaoke. We can sing. We can.
Wah. Please invite me. I like
Come on,
karaoke.
ayo, let's go. I think like that.
Okay, that's it?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Let me sum up for this topic that I think, and I think yeah, is a must. You spend your time with the people who do you love, and support system is the priority. Like myself, I'm so grateful for my family, from my husband and my doctor that always put their self in the right position. And yeah, especially my husband, because some people, not only some people, but some researchers and psychologists say that if you want to see a happy wife or and happy mom, see the way, just see, make sure the way her husband treat her well. And yeah, I got it. Like almost every day, my husband say to me before he leaves the home for working, and he say to me like this: if you don't feel enjoy or you feel exhausting by doing working at home or responsible about our kids, then taking rest, take your sanity first. Make sure that you are really good and you are really okay. It doesn't matter about the messy house. I don't care. No matter I'm going home, then I see the messy house. But first, make a priority that you are happy. Such as maybe you want to watch your Korean drama. You want to you are lazy, or you have no idea to cook anything, and you can order by delivery food, or yeah, from application that is very famous right now. And yeah, like today I'm easy to say to my husband that I would like to be a host for this change for today. And he said, okay, darling, do whatever makes you happy, as long as it is in a positive way, and as long as you still make a priority for our kids. Don't think about me. I can do anything. I mean, whether I'm hungry, starving, or I'm tired or anything about the work, just make sure that you are happy first, then I'm happy and our kids will be happy too. So that's it. Thank you for today, guys. Have a nice day, and please next join us in the next item with BPC in Smart Up Your Life. Thank